Hey guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about calligraphy writing tips that you should learn to add creative flair to your handwritten assignments. So, turn your creative side on and let's dive deep into it. Since you are a beginner, we are gonna give you easy yet highly effective tips that will help you make your assignment beautiful and decorative. They are: knowing different types of pen, learning the right way to hold pen, mastering the strokes. Now, let's know about each of them in detail. Before you start stroking, you should know about different pens, such as brush pens, classic dip pens, pencil, markers, broad nib pens, parallel pen. Each of these calligraphy tools has distinct characteristics, so you should know beforehand what you are dealing with. Holding a calligraphy pen is different from holding usual pens. The angle on which you hold it should be approx 45 degrees. Don't hold the pen too upright. It won't give you the desired effect. Doing so will also damage its tip. Also, ensure that the nib is leading the line. You can also set up a grid to practice calligraphy. On a paper, make 1-inch squares. After this, fill in each row with repeated versions of whichever letter you want to practice until your strokes look consistent and tidier. The next step is to know where to apply thin strokes and where to use thick strokes. Generally, the strokes going down are thick while the ones going up are thin. Create thick down strokes by applying pressure and create thin ones with the tip of the pen, without applying pressure. When you learn how to create thick and thin contrast, you should learn 7 basic different types of strokes. They are: down stroke, underturn stroke, overturn stroke, compound curve, ascending loop, descending loop, oval stroke. Now that you know basic calligraphy writing tips, you should know a few things that you have to consider every time. First of all, try to maintain the consistency of letters. Next, you need to keep good spacing between letters to maintain high level of legibility. Lastly, maintain the pressure to achieve perfect strokes. That's all guys. The tips presented here would surely help you write the assignment headings in a perfect calligraphy style. This would let you have an advantage over your peers and get noticed by the professor. Keep on practicing and you will achieve perfection.